KTM has unveiled two exciting new additions to its Supermoto lineup for 2025, the 390 SMCR and the 125 SMCR. These models feature the brand's Euro 5 Plus compliant LC4C engines, borrowed from the Duke family, but with enhancements tailored to the Supermoto experience. Both engines have been tweaked with a revised airbox design that allows for a higher engine position, providing increased ground clearance of 270mm and a more engaging riding posture. The new Supermotos also benefit from a 2 kg weight reduction, thanks to a redesigned stainless steel exhaust system. A slipper clutch comes standard on both models, with an optional quickshifter available. The 390 SMCR makes 44 horsepower and 39 Nm of torque, while the 125 delivers 14.7 horsepower and 11.5 Nm of torque. Both bikes are equipped with 17-inch road bias wheels, wearing 110/70 tires in the front and 150/60 tires in the rear. The 390 gets spoked wheels wrapped in Michelin Power 6 tires, while the 125 gets cast option shod with MRF tires. Visually, they adopt classic Supermoto styling, with a single front headlight, a high front mudguard, and minimalist bodywork that incorporates a 9-liter metal fuel tank in front of a flat, one-piece seat. Both models feature a seat height of 860mm. Under the skin, the two models share a 2-piece steel trellis frame that's been updated from the Duke models, featuring changes to the steering head angle, triple clamps, subframe mounts, and overall rigidity. The new design also offers improved clearance for the radiator and better positioning of the foot pegs for enhanced Supermoto lean angles. Both the 390 and 125 SMCR are equipped with 43mm WP Apex upside-down front forks offering 230mm of travel, complemented by a WP monoshock at the rear, which also provides 230mm of travel. The 125 SMCR's front forks are non-adjustable, while the 390 SMCR benefits from a more advanced setup, including 5-click compression and rebound adjustment that can be made without tools. The 390 SMCR also features 20 stages of rebound adjustment at the rear, while both models have rear preload adjustment. When it comes to braking, both models feature a 320mm front disc paired with a 4-piston radial caliper and a 240mm rear disc with a single piston caliper. On the technology front, both models come equipped with a sleek 4.2-inch TFT display with bonded glass to reduce glare, smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, USB charging port, and full LED lighting. The bikes also come standard with 2-channel Bosch ABS, with selectable intervention levels. The 390 SMCR is equipped with 2 riding modes, Sport and Street, allowing riders to switch between varying levels of performance and traction control. In Sport mode, traction control can be completely deactivated, and the bike remembers your preferences for the next ride. As for weight, the 125 SMCR weighs in at 145 kg without fuel, while the 390 tips the scales at 154 kg without fuel. The new KTM 390 and 125 SMCR models are set to make waves in the Supermoto segment, combining sharp performance, advanced technology, and aggressive styling into 2 thrilling new models.